is a 3D representation of dichloromethane. The solid wedge is coming out of the plane of the paper, and the dashed wedge is going into the plane of the paper, and these two represent atoms that are inside the plane of the paper. We can show that this molecule has both a positive end or side of the molecule and a negative end of the molecule, because these electronegative chlorines are going to have a partial negative charge and the carbon a partial positive side. That means that this is a polar molecule, and therefore the IMFs that are present are London dispersion forces as well as dipole-dipole forces. There is no hydrogen bonding because chlorine is not electronegative enough to be defined as hydrogen bonding.